Welcome to Out and About. You know what I mean? We're out and about. So right now, please join the family. Join the family from early. You know what I mean? Like, share, subscribe. You know what I mean? Tell a friend, share it to a friend. You know what I mean? It's Out and About. You know what I mean? And we're out. So get to the video them right now. Get to the things them. We're there. Out and About. Yeah, man. You know the church, you know what I mean? Skanking down the street. Yeah. That's stroll along in the town, you know what I mean? Good view across. Yeah, man. So Out and About, TT? Yeah, yeah. Superstore. Yeah, man. TT. We have to walk, so. You understand? Hmm? Huh? Just walk, and done. Hmm? You're tired? Or if you're tired already? Hmm? Hmm? You're busy, man. Hmm. Come. Across the road. Quick. Yeah. Traffic blocking. Yeah, man. Hmm? Yeah, man. We're Out and About. So you know you think we in the street. Yeah, man. See how I boat them there. Yeah, man. The Fritching village and them something there. We's on the bridge. Popular place in a nigga, we call it the bridge. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Boat there like dirt. It's a fishing village cross, that's all. See there with a boat. People are with a vibe. Yeah, man. Jamaica still nice, bro. Cause that's a nice birds. Yeah, man. Park there. Rasta man. Yeah, man, we're there. We Out and About. Yeah. Right, alright. Let's go to the beach. Yeah, man, so we're heading to the beach, you know what I mean? Yep. And that's how we reach. Yeah. Nice fishing village. Right, so fishing village, yeah. Yeah, good vibe, I can drive in. So you know we headed to the beach park, that's what them call it. Yeah, man, so craft market. Craft vendors, them a whole a joy. A whole a chill, you know what I mean? Maybe the season is a pick up back, so you don't know. But then you can eat some food too. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, they're out and about, man. Desk. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, heading to the beach park. Yeah, man. So play a lot of football over here, so before me stop play a little game, you know what I mean? But there's a good vibe over here, man. Yes, I was a party central for all of we in the garrison, tourists, everything. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Yes, it was no what happened, brother, and things change, and all of a sudden everybody, the place just get mashed up, run down. Yeah, man. I tell you, so this was the party place. On a Sunday, come over, it's a holiday. I tell you, over here pack. Yeah, man. Great vibe. People used to come chill. We used to play all ball. We over there, so. Some of the time we used to play on the court. This basketball we used to play. You know what I mean? Now the park look like this, brother. You know what I mean? Garbage. You know what I mean? Yeah. You still can come chill still, no, but park was better angle. You know what I mean? And you know, brother. Yeah, man. See there? Vibe still out, man. Yeah, man. People still have a joy on the boat them. So people, well, they are firing. And the way they up your part, Jamaica still nice, we still have a vibe. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. John, watch your man. Yeah. I take them up. Alright. Yeah. Yeah.
Out and about.
T. Andre. What you say? Out and about?
Out and about.
Yeah, you're there. Yeah, man. This is T. Andre, aka with a short name as a TT. Yeah, yeah. You're there. Heading up the beach, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. 7 mile of white sand, how nice. You know, man. See, you can go on still, not too choppy, not too bad. You can go on rumbly night. Yeah, man. Like I look up buggy car here. I think I police sitting here. Yeah.
Police cruiser.
I say police people like that thing. Yes, sir, bless. Huh? You know, see, you buy a look up buggy thing where they have, man. Yeah, them walk out the line. Walk out as well. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, like men drive me sometime on the road.
What is that?
Yeah? You must have to patrol the place, man.
What do you know what is that?
How do that? You don't know those part there. You think you want to tell her there? Oh,
But sometimes they call me the buggy.
yeah.
Sideways again.
Yeah.
Hey! Sideways again. Daddy,
Mm.
you have to keep going up sideways.
Mm-hmm.
One time. Oh, sideways again. One time. Oh, sideways again.
Huh?
I see the elephant.
Can you come in there? You have power. Mm. You have power. Ah, that catch you, man.
What in the First time in water in the middle, he will come up. Now, he was
You say you want the starfish?
Daddy, my God!
Yeah, run fast it when I take a bite. Look at you, I'm mad man.
The one is going to the camel.
So, you not bite me? See it?
Camel.
Huh? Which one you man run fast starfish? The starfish, you man run from me? See that? Nice. Yeah? Come visit man. I just say if you want to see it. Yeah? Hey. Hmm? Yeah man. You want to go back up? Yeah. Where like eh? Where like? Hmm? You see like? Yeah, what is that? Strolling. Everybody's having fun, everybody's strolling on the beach. You know what I mean? TT is walking, tired.
I'm not tired.
Yeah. You're not tired. You're not tired, you're tired. Mm-hmm.
Silent.
You know what?
Papa. Silent. Come here. Everybody.
Yeah.
Put, click, like, subscribe, and share.
Yeah. Tell them no, man. Mm-hmm. That's the one you want. I say high up, I say lift up. Mm-hmm. Wow. There, man. Ah. Move, come. Just back. Huh? I'm lazy. You can't name. Lazy. Sure, what do you have my head on?
When I see Rob,
Eh?
so tomorrow Friday morning, me and Daddy are going.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Hello again. Hello again. Yeah, man.
Me tired.
Yeah, man. Where's it?
Me tired.
Yeah, I lied, man.
Tired.
Mm. Yeah. Yeah, man. Nice little view. Pretty sky. Yeah, man. Tell them, man, this is beautiful. Yeah. And if you reach this far, yeah, man. Thank you for watching. Yeah, man. Thanks. You know what I mean? And if you reach this far in the video, thanks for watching. You know what I mean? Please tell a friend and tell a friend. Please subscribe. Please like. You know what I mean? More love. You know what I mean? To each and every one. Thanks. We're building a family here. So join the family from early. And make sure you be with the family and enjoy the videos. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself. One love. We're out and about.